Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0726S in color code 001. It's a black gold color frame. It has a double GG Gucci logo in gold inside the temples. And it has a chain detachable end piece on the end of the temples. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are gray gradient color. And it has the Gucci logo engraved on the right side of the frame. Up here we have the Gucci velvet cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.